Assalamu alaikum friends. My name is Benjamin Ahmed and today I am showing you how to make lettermark logo design. So if you are new on my YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest logo tutorials. Remember one thing, a lettermark is a typography-based logo that's comprised of a few letters. For example, NASA. Their word NASA is comprised of a few letters, which means National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Let's start the tutorial. First, select ellipse tool. Make a perfect circle. Color it and convert into stroke. Put the stroke size is 48. Select Direct Selection tool and click the left anchor point of circle. Then press delete. Select the pen tool and make a straight lines with it. Go to Object, then click Expand, Unchecked Fill and press OK. Now select the Direct Selection tool, and select the one point and round it as you can. Same process with the bottom point. Now select the shape and convert into stroke. Select the shape and increase stroke size in 10%. Go to Object, then click Expand, Unchecked Fill and press OK. Now again select Ellipse tool, and make a perfect circle. Fill color in it, and convert it into stroke. Increase stroke size in 48%. Now again do a same process. Go to Object, then click Expand, Unchecked Fill and press OK. Copy the file without button. Click on right mouse button, and go to Transform panel, then select Reflect, then check the horizontal, then press OK. Now join the both files, press Ctrl+Y and check the files are equal. Then press Ctrl+Y, go to back. Select both shapes and go to Pathfinder panel, then unite both files. Now two shapes is converted in one shape. Now select Direct Selection tool, and select the last two anchor points and make it long, as you want. Do a same process. Now select last anchor point with Direct Selection tool and make it round. Do a same process. Size the shape with Selection tool. Now convert it into stroke, and the stroke size increase 10%. Go to Object, then click Expand, Unchecked Fill and press OK. Now put text in it. I'm using Texture Adventure font. Align both files. Group it with Ctrl+G. Now hold the texture file and drop it on your background. Now open it as your background shape size. Go to Transparency panel and select Multiply Filter. Now the lettermark logo design is ready. You can download this texture file from Google. Simply search texture wallpapers and choose that you want. So friends, if you like a tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for latest logo tutorials. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.